Welcome to a new video of Invaluable Info. In this video we are going to see the must-read books before you die.
Fifth position is The Art of War. The book was written 2,000 years ago by a great general. In a society where everybody is united by two things, fear and self-interest, this book will be a guiding light on fighting the modern warfare of day-to-day life. The fourth position is The Obstacles in the Way. As the title suggests, the book will teach you how to turn every adversity you face in life to an opportunity which will propel you forward. The third position is Shoe Dog. Have you ever felt lost, confused with no idea on how to get ahead in your life? Good, the author of this book felt the same. He ended up creating a $30 billion company. The second position is Principles, Ray Dalio. Reading this you would realize that all great men in history started out like you and me. What separated them was hunger, perseverance and thirst for learning more. If the book I recommended you above teaches you how great thoughts can lead to great things, this book will teach you how you can embrace reality and get whatever you want out of life. The first position is Think and Grow Rich. You will find a lot of great lessons, and the best part is you can use these principles for anything. At the end of it you will realize that the journey is more important than the goal. This book is all about mindset. When you read it you will realize how everything you want to have in life depends on one thing, mindset.
Read all these books before you die. Thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel for more invaluable info. See you in the next video.